Now every single person is trying to make money trading meme coins, but I stopped trading and I started deving. And that's why my entire Phantom wallet has over $7.19 million. Let me show you the strategy behind it and show you guys exactly how to use it step by step. Now, if you guys did not know already, I used to be a big fiend in trading meme coins. I was a literal nerd, trenching for 24/7 every single day. Now, there's a reason why I stopped trading and I switched to a brand new profitable strategy. Well, that's because every single coin I bought crashed and I lost all my money because obviously, bro, the dev controlled everything and I was just exit liquidity for the creator of the coin. Now that's exactly when the truth hit me. The people making real money in this space are not actually trading them. Well, they're actually creating the coins. That is where the real money is made. It's made by creating your own projects. Because when you launch your own coin, you control the chart, the timing, and the supply, literally everything. You are the one setting the rules, you are the one dumping whenever you want. And by the way, bro, creating coins on the Solana blockchain costs literally $0. Okay, anybody can launch a meme coin, wait, then dump it. And that's how I turned $0 into like 1.5k today, all from deving my own coins on fucking repeat. And even though the market is kinda dry and is kinda down at the moment, okay, well, it is going to go back up and the strategy still works even though we're in a low volume market. You guys will see. Now before we get started, bro, I just want to be clear that this entire video is for entertainment and purely for educational purposes only. Cap! None of this is financial advice, bro, so just learn the strategy but do not use it. Tap! Now most beginner devs, when they come into making their first meme coin, they go immediately to Pump.Fun. Now let me tell you why that's a fucking mistake. Pump.Fun is overcrowded, which means there's too many coins, too many live streams, and not enough visibility for your meme coin. That's why I do not waste any time here and I go to other launchpads because this one is a fucking joke. All your coins, okay, has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to migrate onto the Radium DEX, which takes too much time, too much luck, and too much effort, okay? Most people will not even reach that point. And on top of that, bro, you don't control your own liquidity for your meme coin, so you cannot even cash out your profits. That's exactly why I make my coins on Create token.Io, and a bunch of other devs are coming to this launchpad. It's a top one at the moment because on Create token.Io, your token will launch directly to the Radium DEX, which means it will be immediately migrated and it will be viewed to thousands of potential fucking traders and trenchers every single second, bro, of the fucking day. This launchpad is a cheat code, bro. You guys will see why in a couple seconds, but that is why I am so profitable. You get more exposure, you get faster buyers, and you have full control over your liquidity, bro. Do not waste any time and come here. Now you've got two different ways to launch on Create token.Io. The first way is to create a brand new token from scratch. So you have to find a narrative and an idea for your meme coin. Now go on X and look for something juicy. It could be anything, right? I'm talking about anything that's trending. For example, El Salvador is now the first country to teach Bitcoin to all students. That is a really good news for meme coins and for crypto, okay? That's a really good narrative. Now let me see if you could find something else. But yeah, anyways, once you have a good narrative, bro, come back to the Create token.Io website, invent a quick name, add a quick symbol, right? You have to invent these by heart, then add a quick image by screenshotting anything. And remember, the image is the most important part of your coin because that's the first thing that people are going to see. And then after that, after these steps, your coin is custom created. But the second method is my favorite method and the most profitable by far, and that's by copying trending coins on Create token.Io. Now these coins already have hype and traffic. They're proven to attract buyers, and your job as a new dev is to copy one or all of them and it will launch instantly onto the Radium DEX. You get instant buyers and better profits because the attention is already built in. That's why we love copying coins, because the attention is already there, okay? copying coins is a cheat code, I will do an example. Okay, enough talking. Let's actually launch this coin right now so you can see how fast the whole thing comes together. So make sure you connect your Phantom wallet, right? Then click on refresh list to have all the new coins at your disposal. And in general, bro, just copy one and, you know, just make some money, right? Now I'ma just copy this one right real quick. Moon key, it has a last buy 3 seconds ago, which is not too shabby. Click on create coin, and then ignore the block from Phantom, it's completely normal. Click on proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created slash copied. It's the same thing in a couple seconds, bro. Boom. And if I go on SoScan, just to make sure it's live, boom, it is all legit, everything works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our meme coin. Now this step is easy. We're adding liquidity so your token instantly becomes tradable on Radium the moment it goes live, right, to all the buyers. This page is where everything happens and where you decide how much money you want to make and all of that shit. Now for the amount token A, just make sure you tap on the 90% button. Basically, you are keeping 10% of the supply in your dev wallet, and you will be making money off of all the fucking fees, right? Now, right under for the amount token B, think of this as your first buy in your own chart, in your own coin. You are not spending money here, you're just activating the pool. 0.3 SOL is the minimum for your first buy, and when you pull out the liquidity later, you get that same exact SOL right back to you, so you have nothing to lose because you're gonna get it back later. I'm going to put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more than the minimum, right? Just to be safe. Okay, I would highly recommend to do the same. Click on create pool to create the liquidity pool, right a bit, and then click on confirm. When that is done, make sure to click on the refresh button before going down, then scroll down and boom, the Moon Key coin is now live. Our profits are at $0. Now obviously, bro, it will not go at $0, it's gonna go higher. Click on refresh. And now we're up $143 because more and more people are buying in, more and more people are seeing the coin, and that means more buyers in your coin. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our meme coin. Now the coin is live, bro. Let's see what happens. We're already up we're already up a couple $100, bro. Let's fucking go. Come on, 1.3k market cap. Let's fucking go. $25 buy right here. The chart might look a bit weird, but do not worry about it. More and more people are going to start seeing the coin, and that's why the chart is gonna go up and up and up, because more and more people is going to view the coin and trade it. Okay, there's even people who's gonna insta buy it right when it launches, because that is called a sniper. People are going to snipe your coin to make some money. Come on, $70 right here, $11 right here. Come on, bro. I want one big pump. Come on, one big pump. Bro, what is happening, bro? Let's go, bro. $60. Come on now. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin a bit of time for it to pump. I will be right back, okay? And when I am back, we're going to make some money on this coin by dumping it. Be right back. Alright guys, I am back and we are pushing $3,500 in market cap. It did went higher, but I wasn't there to catch that wave. But yeah, now let's make some money. Come back to create tokens.io, and then obviously, bro, make sure to click on refresh to check your profits. It's all up to you. And bang, we're up $1.6 thousand with a $3,000 market cap. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the fucking token. Oh my god. And now as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive 12 Solana from the Moon Key coin. Click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make generational money. Now if I open my Phantom wallet, boom, I just received $1.65 thousand straight inside my Phantom wallet. It's all legit, bro. And even though the markets are kinda down, we still managed to make a bit of money, bro. You guys gotta tap in. It's actually fucking insane. And before you click off to go launch your meme coin, bro, if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and join my free Discord and Telegram group down below, bro, and you will be entered. Let's fucking get it.